Hey, Dewy.McDonald here from Guaranty RV. We're going to show you this nice used 2017 Reflection, rear den model it's called. So, all right, we'll go inside and take a look at it. So it has the raised rear den model. You walk in straight into the door. You got your sink, you got a nice big counter, you got cabinets above us, refrigerator, freezer. You got the island here. You've got your oven, your three-top gas burner, microwave. It's got the stainless steel package. You got a little slide here with the table and chairs. And then you walk up into the den, and then you're looking straight on to the fireplace, the big TV where it goes there. And then on the sides, you've got couches that are make into a hide-a-bed. The two that are facing are recliners. And then the raised den, actually, so that what that means underneath is you've got storage down on the outside unit under the bay area. Then you walk up to the bathroom on your left. You got a nice big shower, glass doors, and then you go into a queen size bed with the slide out. And then you got big closet in the front where washer and dryer hookups. So yeah. And then on the outside, you've got electric awnings. You've got electric jacks all the way around. Like I said, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides. All right, Dewy.McDonald here again at Guaranty RV. So if you're looking for any used fifth wheel, new fifth wheel, toy haulers, travel trailers, campers, you name it, come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.